Ni yma heddiw yn Trimsaran yn agoriad swyddogol Canolfan Fwyd Trimsaran. Mae'r Canolfan Fwyd wedi cael ei sefydlu gan Mari Arthur o Tetrim Teas a ni yma heddiw i dysgu fwy am y cwmni.
I'm Mari Arthur from Tetrim Teas. We're a not-for-profit business in Trimsaran, and we were established in 2021 to develop teas grown from local ingredients with health benefits. And since then we've spun off into the mushroom growing world and using mushrooms in our teas and developing other products. So the whole point of the business in the beginning was to find a way of creating products from local ingredients that had health benefits, that could bring back benefits to the community as well. So we established it in the heart of Trimsaran. We wanted it to be very Carmarthenshire focused, but we work with growers from around Wales. So we develop partnerships with those growers then, and looking at developing a circular economy at the bottom of everything we do. So we're getting rhubarb root, which is a byproduct from Ynys Môn, and then we dry it and we make a tea from this, and then we've partnered with Aberystwyth University to do clinical trials on that tea over 21 days to make sure that it had real health benefits and the community are part of those trials. So we've got circularity, sustainability at the heart of everything we do. Even the business model has a sustainable business model where profits go back into the community, and from the mushroom growing units in different areas in Wales, 10% of the profits go directly into those communities as well. Ni wedi dechrau gweithio gyda Cywain o'r dechrau yn siwrne ni really, a ni wedi cael cefnogaeth right trwyddo'r proses o helpu ni gyda cynllun busnes, i'r ochr cyllid, a hefyd beth sy'n really special i fi a pwysig i'r busnes yw'r ochr brandio. Ni wedi cael help gyda'r dod lan y syniad i cael neges beth ni'n trio wneud a gweud i'r byd trwyddo'r paceni a gwefan. A ni wedi cael na, a mae hwnna wedi rhoi ni rolau o'n i ddim yn dychmygu yn y dechrau. So we meet regularly with our regional development manager in Cywain, and she's got to know our business really well. So she makes suggestions on who we could speak to and does the introductions for us, and has taken us in directions that we wouldn't have gone to without that support. Support through Cywain then for the website and the branding, which I believe has positioned us. It is a high-end brand. It's represented the business better than I ever could have dreamed really. I'm so pleased with the branding, the packaging, they're all compostable. So the boxes are folded, there's no glue, and it was a very innovative experience that Cywain were part of in looking at how we can not develop high-end boxes and high-end branding, but how we can make them truly sustainable as well.
Os hoffech chi gwybod fwy am Cywain, dilynwch ein cyfryngau cymdeithasol ac ewch i cywain.cymru.